Wito omenda maromo $70 e yuto margi alwora ma Siaya hik omenda mokalo kokalo e okang' mar duol mochung'ne lope pachoka NLC mar keto lowo ma Yala Swamp e Kodesa ne jaket mwandu moro. Kanoloso e nyasi mar yawo ayanga chenro mar tiyo makare gi lowo e alwora ma Segere, Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo nohum nono e okang' mane NLC okawo mar chiwo lobno ne jaket mwanduno kendo kwayo mondo mi gilok pachgi kendo ginywak paro mar sirikand kaunti ma Siaya. Orengo ywak ni ne ok okawo pach kaunti ma Siaya kendo okang' ma kamano koro weyo familia maromo 82 podong' maonge lowo moro amora ma ginyalo time pur makelo nweng'o.
Yes, a geographical information system which the FAO is helping us to establish. It will support the spatial plan in a sense that it will have detail of all information in the county, and this will be improving continuously, whether it's information on land use, whether it's information on investments, whether it's information on trade, whether it's information on schools.
Standard premium and the annual rent was paid to the national government. We didn't get a coin. All of it went to the national government. Over 70 million shillings. No wonder when we are collecting our own source of revenue, the jewel that we have from which we can collect money as revenue, that money is going to the national government instead of the county government. That needs to be corrected. The National Land Commission, we're looking for your support in correcting this, and that the private investor should not be granted a lease of 66 years.
Jodong Nyakach kawuono sidho jadong Joash Ogongo